Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Capcut supports XML import, check your app version, and update if needed. Once done, collect every media file the XML references into one folder so file paths match. This prevents missing clips. Next, open Capcut and use Import XML, then select the XML file. You'll see a quick scan, wait for the app to map assets. If mapping fails, make sure file names and file types exactly match the XML entries before proceeding. Once the XML loads, inspect the media bin and timeline. Capcut may auto-map some files, but you must manually replace any red missing items. Make sure your project frame rate and aspect ratio match the XML composition, because mismatches change timing and scale. Then, step through the timeline. Check clip durations, transitions, and nested sequences. Make adjustments where Capcut interpreted XML differently. If effects or keyframes look off, reassign or retime them, so the final playback. You finish by rendering a short segment to confirm audio/video sync, effects, and color. If that looks correct, export the full project using the original resolution, codec, and bitrate to preserve quality. Make sure to save a Capcut project backup before final export. If you encounter missing effects, broken keyframes, or mismatched timing, relink media manually, or re-export the XML from your source NLE with simplified handles. Often re-exporting with absolute paths solves stubborn mapping errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.